from the other perspective, I try to jump into the head of an attacker. And I really try to, I go really far into this, I try to darken the lights, I put on my hoodie, and I really feel like a criminal hacker. Of course, I don't behave like one, but I put on some cool hip-hop music, and I'll be gangster. Whenever I do this, my wife tends to mock me, and she says, do you have one of your episodes again? I says, yes, I'm trying to find this cool bug. But for me, that really helps, that kind of role-playing into being the bad guy or the bad girl. I don't discriminate. Then I try to look what is something that an outsider may be on the look for, and then I try to go for the money scenario. Okay, how could I steal a lot of money for this company? Because that's typically what's super important for the people. Data, what is some crucial data that maybe is not super clear to everybody, but what are their crown jewels? And then I try to go after them within the scope of the bug bounty program. Very often it leads to something, not always to something that I was looking for. But if you challenge yourself to push the boundaries and to always try something new, you can never really lose, because at least you tried.